Silver traded bearish yesterday and today again it has started on a bearish note moving 2940 levels. You can see this was the point where we have seen it stabilizing earlier before the rise, finding it tough to break beyond 3140.50. This is the reversal here. Now can we expect this slide to continue for a while? Can we expect lower lows getting created here? As we have already seen lower highs, can we see it hitting the lower lows here? Possibilities there. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, to look into hourly charts. If you look at the hourly chart, see the drop, retracement towards 20 period, the drop, there is a possibility of a retracement towards 20 period. Now the 20 period moving average is sitting far above at $30 levels, which is going to be a critical milestone for the day. Now if you look at the formation, it is trading in the bearish channel. It has taken a steep turn here. After hitting the lows, it is bounced back and now again looking downwards. So if you see silver trading about 2940 again, you can just take a selling entry there. In fact, you can take a sell entry when you see the higher prices at 2950 and lower. Yes, you can take a sell entry, or this zone between 2940 and 50. Thus, you have to be cautious. Below 2940, we will look forward to 2920 and $29 levels as the next targets. See, the moving averages are trading with divergence and are trading bearish, looking downwards here. The stochastic rising. MACD is still bearish. It is tried to converge but not yet crossed over. And see, it has already seen a good fall. I will wait if it continues here or there is a possibility of a crossover. RSI oversold. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, the moving averages crossing over here are now trading with divergence, staying bearish. See, also we have seen series of bearish candles here, so a possible retracement can be expected. Yes, it has formed a very good tail. Thus, if you see any point of time, silver is staying about 2970-80 zone. When you see the lower prices about 2970-80, you can take a buying entry. We can expect 30 and 30-20 levels as the next targets. Possibilities there. See, if you can see the formation here, drop, retracement. Drop, it could retrace. It may wait for the moving average to come down and then retrace towards $30 levels. This is one possibility we cannot ignore. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD trading bearish, RSI coming to oversold levels here. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour charts also, after a series of red candles, it has formed a flat bottom candle here, which suggests that the possibility exists that the next candle might also try to trade in green, where the prices might try to retrace further, where it can try to move towards $30 levels, 30-20 levels, and we can see the moving averages coming down slowly. That is what we can expect in the next few candles, and hitting the retracement candles channel, we can see it reversing again. This one possibility you should not ignore. So couple of candles with bullishness or retracement towards 2980 possible, and from those levels, 2980, $30 levels, a reversal can also be equally expected here. Yes, it is trading in the bearish channel, and thus as long as it stays below 3050, we should not be treating this as a reversal. The stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI is oversold as well. On the 4, see the candle is taking a shape here, and it is looking downwards. Now 2950, 2940 is going to be very strong support zone. As long as it respects this, we have to be careful here on the downside. Below 2940, we have still lot much of downside available for silver. 2920 and $29 levels are first support levels, and then it may try to in fact move towards 2850, $28 levels very soon. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold here. Coming to daily, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, this is the third subsequent bearish candle. Also look at the candle sizes here, the bearishness getting diminished. This is one critical observation here. Also, today it has started the day on a bearish note. So possibility of a little swing cannot be denied. Possibility of prices moving towards $30 levels or 30-20 cannot be denied here. It can try to stay in this swing zone, close in doji. This is one possibility which we can expect. Also, if you look at what has happened here after forming this flag here, it has given this breakout. Now forming lower highs and finding it difficult to break beyond 3140.50, it has taken a U-turn. So now the chances are there that it can try to move towards the lower end of the channel, which is sitting right now at around $28 level. Moving averages are now starting to converge. We have not seen yet a crossover since long now. It's been almost 5-6 months. This was the March when we have seen this crossover, and now it is almost 4 to 5 months and it is yet not crossed over. So we will wait if it crosses over from here. Stochastic oversold, MACD looking downwards. Now see, MACD is just couple of candles away. It can deliver subsequent red candles today, which means a possible bearish candle cannot be denied, or at best a doji. RSI has dropped. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 29.70-80 zone, expected to move towards $30 levels. First target 30.15, 30.20 the next, and 30.40, 30.50 the third. Any move beyond 30.50 is a sign of reversal, else it is still not to be treated bullish. Very clear. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend at 29.40-50, below which the possibility of 29.20 and 29 will be very, very high. And in fact, we can see it moving towards 28.75 levels as well. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. See you again before the US session. Do watch that update as well.